G'day. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a Facebook page of mine that I've had for quite some time, but a lot of people aren't aware of. So I thought we'd just run through and have a look what it's all about. As you can see from the title here, it's called facebook.com/Aussie Mark Flies Drones, and that's all run as one word. So basically what this page is, it's a page for news about drones and fantastic drone innovations, and as well as some of my own drone stuff, but predominantly it's just about new things and new developments that happen in the drone world and how wonderful the number of drone experiences are that continue to pop up and continue to amaze. You'll see drone footage all the time on TV. Every show virtually has drone footage in it that you watch, from the news to drama shows to comedies and everywhere in between, as well as drones getting involved in things all over the community in every facet of life these days, from telecommunications to firefighting to rescue missions. It's just an endless variety. Drones are the major new technology, basically, in my mind anyway. They come not far behind the internet, mobile phones, and then drones in terms of the wonderful innovations that happen in our humanity. So let's have a look at some of the recent stories that I've posted on this channel. And if you like it, please go over to facebook.com/Aussie Mark Flies Drones and follow this page, so you'll see every time a new event is posted here. Let's go down the page and have a look at some of the features. So I just posted this one, yet another use of drones, isn't it great? And look at this. This drone is de-icing turbines in cold countries. It actually sucks up the water from lakes, or can be just attached to a water source and can be used even for firefighting. It's just amazing. And let's continue on down. So that's that one. What's this story about? Microsoft partners with DJI on a new Windows 10 drone SDK. So if you don't know about that, you might like to read that story. So a lot of these are just links to web pages that I found stories on that I thought you might be interested in. Let's continue on down. My confession, I'm an addict. That's just one of my videos. If you've probably seen that already, we'll continue on down. There are a few photos that I've posted there. But we'll move on down to the stories. Have a look at this one. This drone can provide better mobile coverage. Wow, drone to the rescue. I believe from when I read this one that you can put a drone up above somewhere like a rescue scene, for example, or somewhere where you need telecommunications and you've got poor coverage, and the drone will help to boost mobile coverage so that you can then get access to the internet or access to Skype or whatever you need to communicate via mobile phones. The drone can provide that for you. Wow, just never ceases to amaze me. This one, what do you think? Too gimmicky? I saw this guy's got a jacket that he wears, and basically he puts his arms out, and if he tilts his body or leans forward or leans back, he can fly the drone with his physical body movements. How'd you like to try that one? I reckon that'd be great to have a go with. And really feel like a bird in the sky, especially with VR goggles on and FTP, being able to, first person view, FPV I should say. Yeah, amazing. This video is just giving a shout out to some drone channels that I thought were fantastic. That's one of my videos. And if you don't know about hashtag I'm a creator, go over to my channel and have a look at that. That's on YouTube, as you know, Aussie Marks Drones and Tutorials. And check out hashtag I'm a creator if you want to grow your channel on YouTube. Let's scroll down a little bit. So yeah, here's another video of mine I've posted. Whoops, we scroll, there we go. This one is just telling you guys about a a shirt that I've created for the hashtag I'm a Creator community. That's available for purchase, and 20% of all sales on that page go to back to I Am a Creator members by way of donations. So I'm happy to continue that. Let's scroll down and look for some more stories. What's this one here? Meet the entrepreneur helping businesses tap into drone tech. David Cole, the founder and CEO of Fly Freely, recognised early on the potential of drones, but also the ton of regulations hindering businesses. If you're looking at doing droning as a business, that might be an article worth reading. There's another one of mine. Here's another story you might be interested in. Do more with your drones. 5 things you can do with a UAV. You know what UAV stands for, I hope. Unmanned aerial vehicle. Yeah, of course you do. This one, hover and drop. Amazon drones may deliver your box from 25 feet. So that story talks about Amazon drones possibly dropping deliveries without actually having to land. Don't know how that's going to go, but you might like to read that story. I'm not going to read every single story on this page because there's literally hundreds of them. In fact, I'll just stop there. But yeah, if you find drone stories and drone information interesting and the developments of drones in our culture, this might be a page that you might like. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you're not supporting my channel, please hit that big red supporter button underneath the video so that you can become a member of my community. I'm Aussie Mark. I really appreciate your time today. And you be well. You and your family take care. Have a lovely weekend or a lovely week, depending on you're watching this. Bye for now.